everyone, it's Jenny, and we are at my closet today. It's that time of year, it's spring, and it is time to get rid of a bunch of stuff. I know everyone's jumped onto the Marie Kondo method. I'm not really doing that because it doesn't really resonate with me. So what I like to do is I want to take a part of her method, which is I'm going to take everything out, and then I'm going to see what I have been wearing, what hasn't seen the light of day for way too long, things that are going to be too warm for Texas summers, and then just kind of sort it out and go from there. So I'm just going to start dumping all this out onto the bed, and then I'll switch you over. Alright, all the stuff, except for one thing I left up there, which is a one piece that I already know I'm going to keep, so I just left it up there. Save myself the arm muscles. So everything's out on the bed. So there's just all my shirts on the bed. So I tend to get into a rut, and I'm sure many people do, and I come down here so you can see me. And I've been trying to get out of just wearing t-shirts all the time. I love wearing t-shirts, but it's just kind of gotten to the point to where I'm wearing them constantly and not changing it up. So I kept a bunch of work clothes from when I worked in salons that had a dress code, like only wearing white, only wearing black. And I was about to get rid of them, but then I was thinking, like, well, I don't have any, like, just, like, classic clothes. Like your... You know, because I hadn't been working in a salon for so long, I was working for myself, and now I'm working for myself in a salon, that I can wear whatever I want. But then I was like, well, all I wanted to wear was t-shirts, so I'm gonna keep some of my more dressy shirts, and then we do like a outdoorsy kind of stuff. So I do have like this is a windbreaker for kayaking, winter stuff. I'm going to try and go through this faster. I'm already working on a pretty good pile of hangers down here. Let's see. There's the hangers, Goodwill pile, winter pile. So next, I'm going to hang all this up and organize it, and I will switch over. I've been putting up the shirts, obviously, and how I'm doing this is one pieces and rompers I'm putting in the front so they don't get lost, and then more blouses and button-ups. Then like elevated t-shirts, so like things that have like embellishment or, you know, just not your basic t-shirt. And then I'm putting all the t-shirts just all together, kind of putting ones that I haven't worn in a while towards the front, so that way I will try and put them into rotation instead of them just getting lost in my closet. But one thing that's so good about doing this and like bringing it all out onto the bed and then having to put everything back up is it makes you have to look at it so many times that then you're like, do I really want this? Do I really want to put this back in the closet, just take it out again in 6 months when I'm doing another decluttering or whatever? And that's what provoked this kind of spring cleaning thing, because my husband was saying, like, I need to go shopping because the shirts I have, you know, he's had them for too long and they're ratty or whatever, and he is not a shopper, so I was kind of surprised. I was like, whoa.
You okay?
Yes. Alright, I'm back. That was a little interruption. My 3-year-old came in and was like, what are you doing? So got her all set up doing her thing. And so now I'm going to, in front of all this, because we're trying to go to the gym like 3 times a week. We were sick all last week. Everybody in my house was sick, so we didn't go at all. But if you put your workout clothes in the front of your closet, it just keeps it in your mind, like, I'm going to do this, so that's what I'm going to do. Let's see, okay, well, that's looking really good. I do have some other shirts that just need to be hung up from laundry, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. What I am going to start doing is pulling out, all down here is dresses, jackets, more long sleeves, and things like that. So tackle that next. Alright, this is where the problem lies. This is pretty much everything from that bottom part of my closet, although I left a hoodie in here that is going to Goodwill, because it is just time for me to get rid of it. Let's see. So, skirts. See, this is like the conundrum I have too, because so I have like blazers in my closet. I have never worn this, but in the back of my head, I'm like, you never know when you're going to need a blazer, and then you don't have one that you like. So I keep it around. I've had this one for probably 10 years, and I can't get rid of it, because I'm like, well, what if I need a blazer? I've never needed a blazer. Anyway. Alright, so now I'm going to reorganize that and show you what it looks like at the end. So I decided, since we were doing the decluttering, I'd switch over to my dresser and do all my pants. Now, at the end of winter, I went through all my pants and got rid of everything that didn't fit, and then we started eating healthier, working out more. So, because I had gained quite a bit of weight over winter, and I've been working on getting that down, both my husband and I. So, I'm now fitting into a size 14 again, but not exactly how I like things a little bit looser on me, and I'm not to that point yet. But I already tried on all my pants, and now I'm just going to go through and decide which ones I'm going to turn into shorts, because it's so hard to find a length of short that feels comfortable on me. So this is my shorts pile. So I have these that I'm going to for sure make into shorts, and then I do have, these are my new pants that I love, that I just got from Forever 21. I did a mini haul with these pants in there. And one thing I forgot to mention is that they're jeggings, but they have functional pockets, so front and back pockets, which is very rare. So this is my keep pile. And then all this here is going to Goodwill. So I got these exercise shorts, and they are pants. I've just found, I was talking with a friend of mine who we work out together frequently, that we're just over this kind of pant, you know, this like very tight, like body glove kind of pocketed legging or whatever. We're going back to cotton. So these pants are kind of like that blazer situation that I was having. I'm like, there may be a time that I need a dress pant, and I don't usually wear dress pants. So I'm like torn to keep it and have it take up space, or just save it for that rainy day situation, or if I get like some wild hair, I'm like, I'm going to wear dress pants. But anyway, it doesn't matter. I'm keeping them either way. But yeah, so I will have this consolidated down from 3 drawers to hopefully 2. 1 would be even better. And well, that was exhausting. But as you can see, it made a huge difference. My shirts were literally packed to here, and now I have so much more room. I've reorganized this, and even though I didn't get rid of a whole lot as far as dresses go, but how I organized it is, so since I do want to wear more dresses and skirts, the skirts are going in the front, then longer dresses, and kind of did them by length, then overshirts and light jackets, swimsuit cover-ups, swimsuits, then like miscellaneous stuff that I didn't even bother with because I already went through that recently. So thanks for coming along with me while I was decluttering my closet and trying to organize it. I like watching these videos, so I figured I had to do it anyway, so might as well bring you guys along with me. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.